like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero.
It's your girl 𝒻𝓋𝓂𝓀𝓒𝓃𝓎, and I'm back with another video, my birthday vlog for my sweet 16. So you guys stay tuned, and if you're interested, like, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. So right now I'm about to get my nails done. Just getting me a set for my birthday. You already know what it is, what it ain't, what it ain't, what it is. Okay, y'all, look how rough I look.
3 hours later.
Sorry that I'm kind of awkward right now. I'm trying to talk to y'all, but I need a lighting so I can see myself. So I got my hair cornrowed because I couldn't cornrow my own hair because I have nails. So I got my hair cornrowed by my girl Jessica, so I can install my wig a little bit easier. So right now I'm about to get some Taco Bell, and I'm about to eat before I even start doing my hair. Yeah, after I style my hair, I'm gonna let you guys know how it turns out. You can't hear me, but I'm just blow drying. Okay, so now I'm about to cut it. How far should I cut it up, y'all? I'm gonna cut it up. Damn. This is too much powder. Is it? Is it too much powder? This is... Bear with me. Just bear with me, okay? Brush her down. She's so pretty. Ooh, I kind of look rough. How? And y'all, this is not flat iron. So, don't judge me. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I really don't know. How do I feel about this? I don't know. It's new. It's different. I ain't never been bold a day in my life until today. So we'll see.
𝒻𝓋𝓂𝓃𝓎𝓁 the producer. 𝒻𝓋𝓂𝓃𝓎𝓁 the producer.
The wig is installed. I don't want to show y'all right now. I don't want to show y'all the finishing look because I still want to flat iron it and play with it some more. Tomorrow will be Friday, the day before my birthday. I'm going to give y'all a slight. I'm going to spaz a little bit tomorrow. Some slight until Saturday, because Saturday, y'all going to be like done, period. I'm about to wash my face because it is needed. I feel real oily in my hands. Ugh. Yeah.
Many hours later.
Hey you guys, it is currently 6:30. It is the 15th. I'm really nervous about wearing my hair like this to school. I guess it's because it's colored. I'm so nervous, like I'm scared of like what people might say. But I'm gonna do my thing today. I'm about to get my hair flat ironed. So yeah, I'm gonna put on some lashes, I think, and I might get my eyebrows shaded a little bit more, or I might keep them like this. I'm not sure yet, and I have not decided. But my hair turned out really good. It looks like I didn't do it. It looks like it looks really good. So yeah, y'all. See y'all in a few.
What I mean is nothing really is gonna happen.
Tony.
Okay, I'm not okay.
Tony, take a breath.
No, because I just don't like to.
I think you're misunderstanding what he's saying.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. And it's my day. It's nobody else's, period. So right now I'm about to transfer some money. After the dinner, plans keep changing. Like when I tell you guys plans keep on changing, never in my life. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have the dinner, and then we're gonna go to my best friend's house, and we're gonna set it up, make it real cute, and we're gonna get lit there. And yeah, hopefully everything. Hey. So yeah, hopefully everything turns out good. Hey. Oh my god.
How many chances she done gave you? Fuck around with me, die. Every day I'm alive, I'm around with this stick.
Guys, it's my first time wearing makeup. How do I look? How do I look? My makeup is kind of like matching my shoes or whatever, because my shoes do not match my dress. Well, two-piece, sadly, but it's cool. I haven't done my hair yet, so don't hate on me right now. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. My hair is not done. We're on the way to Party City to get decorations and balloons and stuff. I don't know if I could squeeze in Walmart, because I was trying to get a couple outfits, like matching little, you know, shorts and socks for the for my little sister and stuff. So yeah, I don't know how that's gonna play out, but yeah, the makeup looks good. I feel like I don't look like myself. Mom, do I look like myself? Do I look like myself?
No.
Is that a bad thing?
No.
Okay. Yeah. The sun is hitting right here. I should start taking pictures right here. That's what I should have did. So yeah, let me take some pictures real quick.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Featuring 𝒮𝒾𝓃𝓐𝓎 vlogs. Make sure y'all check me out. So right now we getting ready for Key's party. You feel me? Already know. You got anything to say, Dick? Oh, sorry. I have to let them be known.
No, look how I look. I'm not putting it. Hey y'all.
Oh shoot, hold on. I want to see my boyfriend.
So we're about to go to the dinner and stuff, and I look real good. Okay. Yeah, so I just took some pictures, so I'm working on that. Hey YouTube, Day and Erica. So y'all, I'm just gonna end this here. I done took my lashes off. I done did all that. The dinner was good. I had fun with all my friends and family. Thank you guys for coming. And you already know we about to get lit tonight.
Period, boo.
Period. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And we lit for your girl, Sweet 16. Period. Pooh.
Yeah, going ain't like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero.